We stand in the midst of Cantonment Road, Aptabad, where on one side is situated the infamous Gurdwara, which was established before the partition of the subcontinent and by the colonial masters of the subcontinent. This Gurdwara, which is situated here, and hence this street is named the Gurdwara Gali. But on our left side are the renowned and infamous Chane Wale, who started their business in 1960s and 70s. Thus, this is a generational work being done from 1960s to 1970s and is still thriving in 2025. Though the Sikh community over the time has migrated from Aptabad and has stopped worshipping in this Gurdwara, which was established decades and decades ago. But still, this Gurdwara Gali has its sanctity for mainly two reasons. One, as aforementioned, the Gurdwara, a colonial piece, a Gothic piece. And secondly, the chana makers on the other side, who are utilizing this space and who are thriving still in their business by making delicious chana to their customers and are here from 50 to 60 years ago. These kale chane with garnishing of green chilies and sprinkling of onions in it with their special chutney that has been made over the generations is actually giving a heavenly bite, a heavenly taste. That is the reason all of the customers, not only from Aptabad but from different areas and different cities of Pakistan, come here and always remember these chane of Gurdwara Gali. It is worth a shot. You should try at least once whenever you get the chance to visit this beautiful hill station, Aptabad.
Coming to Bazaar and not visiting this Gurdwara Gali for these special chane is simply not possible for me. मैं जब भी इस गली से गुज़रता हूँ मुझे अपने कॉलेज के वो दिन याद आ जाते हैं जब कोई ऐसा दिन ना होता था कि जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ इस गली में ये चने ट्राई करने ना हूँ. सिंपली मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि हम अमजद चाचा के ये चने खाकर बड़े हुए हैं.
हमारे तकरीबन इधर 60 से 65 साल हो गया है, हो सकता है इससे भी ज़्यादा हो, क्योंकि मेरा तीसरा नंबर है. ये एबटाबाद बार मेन रोड है, ये सदर बाज़ार मेन रोड. तो ये अंदर गुरुद्वारा गली है, ये सामने गुरुद्वारा है, ये हमारी दुकानें हैं. तो इसकी रेसिपी है हमारी अपनी, क्योंकि ये अच्छी क्वालिटी है. सबसे बेहतर बात यही है कि सस्ता है, सस्ता आइटम है. इस वजह से हर आदमी, कोई गरीब भी है वो भी खाता है, कोई अमीर भी है वो भी खाता है. किसी के पास पैसे नहीं है उसको भी हम देते हैं अल्लाह की रज़ा के लिए. चलो यार, किसी की क्या पता, उन लोगों की वजह से हमारा काम चलता है. तो अल्लाह का शुक्र है जी, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.